Hello everyone, my name is Daniela Arzola and today I will explain the difference between a strong entity and a weak entity. But before beginning, we must know that it's an entity. An entity set is a collection or a set of all the entities that share the same attributes set but with a different set of values for some attributes. The entity can be classified into two basic categories: a weak entity or a strong entity. A strong entity is an entity that is independent of other entity in the schema. It has sufficient attributes to uniquely identify all its entities. The strong entity has a primary key attribute or a table which consists of a primary key. The primary key of the strong entity is represented by underlining it. For example, consider the diagram, which consists of two entities, customer and icon. Customer entity is a strong entity because it consists of a primary key called customer ID, which is enough for accessing each record uniquely. The same way, icon entity contains of icon ID attribute, which is capable of uniquely accessing each row with each customer details. Now we have weak entity. This is an entity set that doesn't have sufficient attribute for unique identification of its records. A weak entity may or may not have a primary key attribute. It contains a partial key referred to as the discriminator, which helps identifying a group of entity from the entity set. The discriminator is represented by underlining with a dashed line. We have two entities, building and apartment. Building is a strong entity because it has a primary key attribute referred to a building number, which is capable of uniquely identify all the flats present in the apartment. Unlike building, apartment is a weak entity because it doesn't have any primary key, and door number here acts only as discriminator because door number cannot be used as a primary key. There might be multiple flats in the building with the same door number or on different floors. Finally, here's a small table of what I said before. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you later. Bye.